Hello everyone. So today is 23rd of March and it's currently 9:20 p.m. and let's discuss what we are expecting in the market next and what happened today. Okay. So even in the last video yesterday, so I was very late. I'm very sorry for that. So I clearly said that like if you are in a position and you are having profit, so don't stay there for very long time. Okay. So the very first half it was like for the bulls, but if you have for the bulls, and if you stayed very long, like till the end, then you know what happened. Okay, so all these up moves were wiped out, and why they were wiped out? Try to understand. Like even I was like I clearly said that what my positions were, and I did stick to it. Okay. So I used 3.66 lakhs capital. So out of the 10 lakhs capital that I've for trading. So why? Because if you just go and check my analysis, like I'm not finding that out right now. So I'm not going to find that out right now. But I think here it's let's see. Yeah, so this is the one. So this week is going to be choppy. I clearly said that. Okay, far back on Monday. Okay, and so this is the time when you should like conserve your capital for the main when you get a smooth run on one side. Okay, so whatever, like I shorted once I shorted 16,900 when Nifty was at around 16,900 to 17,000, and when it was at around another one time I shorted when it was at around this 17,150. Okay, so the average price came out to be 184. Okay, and yeah, I was quietly waiting for the move because like even in the morning also here the move was about to happen, but suddenly this up move came without any logic, and put writing started, and everything like was going up and up, and like everyone thought that we might also end at 17,300, because if you have noticed the option chain, even 17,300 put side OI was also increasing in huge quantity. So now you know what actually happened. Okay, so I just kept faith in my analysis that 17,000 call writers were there, the big guys were there. Okay, so that's why I mean you would have seen most often like what happens is that these channels or whatever, like they give you the analysis. Okay, then when the move comes, they leave their positions. Okay, and they keep quiet. Okay, and finally if luckily this move comes, then they would say देखा मैंने बोला था. ठीक है, तो but they don't carry their positions. Okay, so they also close their position. So this is the ultimatum, like this is the ultimate test, like you know now that I do stick to my analysis, not just that I just say that okay, yeah, so this is I feel or this is I see. So I do take positions also according to that, what I tell, so I do that. Okay, so it's not nothing like I tell something and I do something else, and when market works in my favor, देखा मैंने बोला था. So it's not like that. Yeah, now coming to today's analysis. So first of all, you see that in the morning, like there was strength. Suddenly, here from here the score jumped and showed strength, and yeah, so even for Bank Nifty also the same thing happened. The score jumped and showed strength, but yeah, so that was like totally manipulation, and I also clearly told my members that this thing is nothing but a clear manipulation of like what happened even in the last Thursday. Okay, so according to what happened on the last Thursday, I clearly said that in yesterday's video that don't stick to one side or one position. You might be like you will be badly trapped, because again something like last Thursday both the sides moves were to happen. Okay, so yes, the very first thing was that in the morning there was call writers. We took positional call writing tomorrow yesterday, as you all know. I have discussed this even on yesterday's video. So the call side, some of the places it was more than 80% down or 70. More than 70% down. So yeah, overall it was more than 60% down, all the premiums in the morning, and data was also suggesting down move in the morning. So it was going down, but suddenly there was too much manipulation, and I clearly said that by what happened last Thursday, anything is possible. So anything is possible means like these type of situations, technical analysis doesn't work, nothing, because you see that when market was being pulled down here, I mean at 17,155, which is you see here, that is, it took a lot of time and then went up, okay. But here when it was going down, they did not have time, okay. So they did not, like, there was no such candles like for a very long time we concentrated and then came down or whatever. So they straight away came down. So what happens is that in these type of days, sorry, my battery went out. So yeah, still I'll be continuing with the video. So in these type of situations, what happens is that technical analysis, these levels or whatever doesn't work. So what has to happen just happens, okay. And yeah, so talking about now, in Nifty and Bank Nifty also, this 39,822 also, that also straight away broke. And yeah, so now coming to our next analysis, that is now for now, US markets are up, let's see, but yesterday also they were up first, and then suddenly at the very end they fell very hard, okay. So yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, now coming to this, that is the declines are increasing, and also they sold, FII sold, but not in huge quantity. And also talking about index futures, so they closed some of the futures short positions, but not much. And also futures stocks, futures short, they shorted but not in huge quantity. So today may not sorry, this one, yeah. So today, the FIIs were not much active, but yeah, finally this move, why did this come? Because 17,000, they were call writers, okay. So, and not only that, even at 16,900 also they were there. So even if I am in profit, even whatever, slightly if I am in profit, I did not go in loss, right? Because even if you see these positions, okay, so if you see these positions, so this is not the actual loss. If you understand, like if you see here, that is these prices that you see for these strike prices, they were taken on last Thursday. So they were already, these losses were already booked in my P&L. So this was the profit, but almost almost 5,000. But yeah, so overall, if I am in profit, so the FIIs they also are in profit with their call writing positions. But yeah, they did not get as much as they were expecting. Okay, that's true. And now talking about the end of the day data. So coming to here, that is FII is like, oh sorry, that was they have bought some futures, okay, and close a very little of futures short positions. So again, whatever they have bought doesn't matter, just look at the ratio, okay. So future short, they have huge quantity, but again they can take time, and suddenly like one day you will see a drop, a huge drop. And then the next thing is that coming to option chain, again put writing is there but not in huge quantity. The huge quantity is there in call writing, as well as for the same for the prop decks. And for the prop decks also, you see they have hugely increased their future short position. So they are also expecting some down move. And not only that, the put buying is still there. As you can see, like if this is the amount of put buying required, like if this is the amount for call buying required to hedge the call writing, as well as this huge amount of futures short. So why more than that is required to just hedge the put writing positions? Okay, so put futures long positions is not much. Okay, so put buying. So in the buying section, they are overall in put buying, and in option writing, they are on the call, majorly in the on the call writing side. And yeah, so again the final verdict would be sell on rise and nothing else. Okay, so if US markets are rallying, so there would be a rise tomorrow, and then it would be a nice opportunity to sell. And I think you know the levels, so there's nothing to discuss. Even in Bank Nifty also, I have been kept on saying for the last week that is 40,000 would surely give resistance. Okay, और कुछ मतलब हो ना हो तो मतलब 40,000 के ऊपर तो मतलब नहीं जाने वाला है, और या क्लोज नहीं होने वाला है. तो it went above today, you see it went above 40,000. Okay, even like almost to 40,200, near to that, but finally it came down. Okay, so that's the analysis. Like just go and check the past videos. I every day kept on saying that at the majority of the call writing positions were at 40,000 in Bank Nifty. Okay, and yeah, so now talking about I think I have discussed everything. So I told you the final verdict, rest is up to you. And yeah, so that's the overall analysis. Thanks for watching. So if my analysis are helping you, so don't forget to put the like, and please do share it among the other fellow traders. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.